Hi guys, okay, so today I'm going to tell you a little bit about starting a side hustle online in 2022. I know a lot of you actually requested this video on my Instagram, and the thing is, starting a side hustle is a great way to earn some extra cash. And actually, according to statistics and the IRS, most millionaires actually has like 7 income streams. So if that's not motivation enough, I don't know what is. So let's start with the first side hustle for 2022. So this is actually one that I found online a couple of years ago, and it's very easy. So basically it's you join a focus group. So I know it sounds probably very funny, but what it basically is big companies hire some people online to test out their products that they're going to launch, like apps or websites. So the reason they do this is they want people to test their products before it goes out to the market. So say for example, I test the Facebook app and I give my feedback and take some screenshots and stuff. Then they can make changes on the app before they actually launch the app. So you can literally make like $100 to $600 a month doing this, and it doesn't have to take a lot of time. So if you have some free time and you're looking for something, I definitely recommend this. You can literally just go to Google and like type in focus groups in your area and then see what comes up. The second thing I'm going to tell you guys is we're going to talk about online surveys. So basically online surveys is very easy. You find a website and then you fill in surveys and then you get paid for your time. But the thing is, I know there's a lot of websites out there that actually they don't pay and you're just wasting your time. But with FuturePoints.com, you can literally make like $5 to $10 per survey, and it takes you like 10 minutes to fill in. I will put the link to the website in my description box below. And the great thing about FuturePoints.com is you literally get $5 in your PayPal account once you sign up. So from the start you literally get paid. So imagine taking like 10 minutes a day and earning $10 just from that one side hustle. And obviously if you want to earn more, you can spend a little more time on it. Then the third one is a little more difficult than the other two. It is stock trading and investing. So the thing about this is it sounds hard, but it actually isn't. You literally just need like $100 or so to start investing and stock trading. I actually started trading about 1.5 years ago, and you can make like decent money by like trading or investing. But the thing is, you need to keep in mind that this side hustle is a side hustle that it's not a make money quick scheme. So you literally do this side hustle as a side hustle to have money one day when you're a bit older, or like in 10 years or something. So I use 2 platforms. I use Mobi for international stock trading, and then Easy Equities for my South African funds. Now Mobi is the world's fastest growing online investing research platform. They are located on Wall Street, so obviously they know what they're talking about. And I actually spoke to the owner of Mobi, so yeah, they are really well educated, and they provide you with so much info and insight into the market that you can literally not go wrong if you sign up for Mobi. So the other great thing about Mobi is that they actually provide you with insights about stocks, crypto, and NFTs. And we live in 2022, and if you're not like on the NFT bandwagon or crypto bandwagon, you are a little behind. So I can really recommend Mobi. I'll also put the link in my description below. It's like $4 a week to start with. I know it may sound a lot, but it actually isn't if you think about what you get back. You gotta get a lot of insights on the website. They explain what you get for different sign-ups, so you can check it out. And then the fourth side hustle I can recommend is literally build a YouTube channel. It's really not difficult to build a YouTube channel in 2022. Just remember that on YouTube you literally have like 1 or 2 billion people to your disposal to get your content out there. The same with any social media. The thing is, you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face. So this is called YouTube automation. So basically what it means is you have a YouTube channel and then you use stock images and stuff like that, or videos, and you choose your niche. Like for example, if you are into wine or if you're a graphic designer, you can literally just record yourself designing things on your computer and explaining to people how you do your work, and this will educate people, which will allow your YouTube channel to get monetized very easy. If you're into wine, for example, you can educate people on the different wines and your channel can get monetized that way. The other thing is, before you start your channel, you need to think about how your channel will be monetized. For a business niche, for example, it's very easy because you can get affiliate marketings. People will want to sponsor your videos. So I literally know of people that lives in Dubai that does YouTube automation that earns like $30,000 a month from doing it. They don't even show their faces. So the niches that really does well is like the travel niche, the luxury niche, business niche, investing niche. So they literally have a script writer, a video editor, and then they just build a YouTube channel and they make money of it. So that's one thing. I will make a video in the coming weeks about this YouTube automation business model. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and then you'll be notified when that video is online. The other thing is, the fifth and final one is sell your services on Fiverr. This is very easy. Probably one of the easiest side hustles that I can recommend. This is how I started out like 3-4 years ago. If you have like few extra hours in a day to do this, you really need to do this, because you can literally make like $1,000 off Fiverr by just like selling stupid like tasks. Like this is one guy that literally you can send him a photo of your dog and he will make your dog sing happy birthday to you. That is literally like the most like stupid like service that I ever saw, and he makes like $3,000 a month doing this. So if you're a creative person, for example, you can literally put it on a Fiverr account that you can design social media posts or design a banner or whatever, and you can use Canva. Canva literally has everything on it, and you can make a few dollars a day by doing this. Okay guys, this is just a few side hustles that I mentioned that worked for me. Some of them, like the investing, I still make use of, but the fact is there are like thousands of side hustles out there, and in my opinion, if you don't have a side hustle and you are worried about money, then either you're a lazy person, either you're scared, or you don't know about like any side hustles. But the thing is, you can literally go to Google and search side hustles. But also that's why I created this YouTube channel, to explain to other people like yourself how you can become a digital nomad or just live a happier life on your own terms. because it's literally possible to earn thousands of dollars a month by doing minimum work and doing what you love. So if you are into this, please subscribe to the channel and you will see a lot of videos in the future.